Hey, what's going on, tech lovers out there? I'm excited about today's video because I just got in the best reviewed Android tablet of 2024. I'm going to be unboxing it. There's going to be a full review coming in just a few days, but today I'm going to be unboxing the OnePlus Pad 2. So I'm excited to get my hands on the OnePlus Pad 2 to see, is it truly the best tablet of 2024, and is it still the best tablet in 2025? Let's check it out. All right, guys, here is the OnePlus Pad 2. I went ahead and purchased the portfolio case. The keyboard case came as a free gift. The packaging for all of your OnePlus paraphernalia and devices are pretty constant, pretty similar what you'd expect to find from a OnePlus device. Now, I'm not going to lie, this folio case, I'm pretty disappointed with it. It feels cheap. It feels like cardboard. It doesn't feel premium at all. I'm actually quite disappointed on my initial reaction of that folio case. I'm hoping that the keyboard case is going to fare a little better than the folio case, although I don't have high hopes. So we'll see. Okay, here we go. Here is the keyboard folio case. And it is exactly the same. You've got this backing that hooks by magnet. Here's your keyboard. Guys, I'm not going to lie. I'm pretty disappointed with the quality of the OnePlus Pad 2 keyboard. The keyboard that came with the OnePlus Pad was infinitely better, felt sturdier. I'm a little disappointed, very disappointed actually, in OnePlus on this. Okay, guys, here it is. Here's the OnePlus Pad 2. Been very excited to get my hands on this. And it feels good. It feels sturdy. It feels safe. It feels like a OnePlus product. It's heavy, sturdy, doesn't feel too heavy. I like the Nimbus Gray. I was not a fan of the Emerald Green at all. I just thought it was a hideous color. That's just my personal opinion. Here's your paperwork. Here it is. It feels good, feels sturdy. I love the rounded edges. I love the thin bezels. It feels really nice. Here's the red cable that we are used to seeing. And I'm just so grateful that OnePlus continues to put the brick. These guys are getting harder and harder to find nowadays. Let's power this thing on. And there is the OnePlus logo. Good to see it. All right, guys, that's it for this unboxing video of the OnePlus Pad 2. Thank you for watching.